Did you know that some root vegetables, like sweet potatoes, contain a compound that actually helps boost your metabolism and burn more calories, even when you're resting? When we talk about losing weight, we're often bombarded with fad diets and quick fixes. But what if I told you that some of the most effective fat-burning foods are actually hiding in plain sight, in the produce aisle of your local grocery store? Specifically, I'm talking about root vegetables that are often overlooked in this context. These foods are considered fat-burning because of their amazing properties like high fiber content, low glycemic index, and nutrient density. This means they can help keep you full, support healthy blood sugar levels, and provide a boost of essential vitamins and minerals. It's not about making any outlandish medical claims, but about understanding how these foods can support a healthy weight loss journey. Let's take a closer look at some of these incredible root veggies. Sweet potatoes, for example, are rich in fiber and have a low glycemic index, making them very effective at keeping you full and supporting healthy blood sugar levels. Carrots are crunchy, delicious, and packed with fiber and antioxidants, making them a great snack for weight management. Radishes are another often overlooked root veggie that's low in calories and high in fiber and vitamins, making them a great addition to salads or as a crunchy snack. Turnips, with their slightly sweet and peppery flavor, are also a great choice, providing a good dose of fiber and vitamins. The science behind these claims is pretty straightforward. These vegetables are part of a healthy diet and can support weight loss efforts by providing essential nutrients and fiber. They're not magic pills, but when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, they can make a real difference. The fiber in these veggies can help slow down digestion, keeping you full for longer and supporting healthy blood sugar levels. On screen, you can see a nutrition fact that highlights the benefits of fiber found in these vegetables. A high-fiber diet can help support healthy digestion, satiety, and even blood sugar levels. In summary, these root vegetables are incredibly healthy and can support weight loss, but they're most effective when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. They can help boost your metabolism, support healthy blood sugar levels, and keep you full and satisfied. If you're as excited as I am about these root veggies, share your favorite recipes in the comments below. And if you want more healthy eating tips and debunking common food myths, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this.